I originally ordered the advanced food tolerance test because after having my son, I was having pretty significant hair loss, and I was thinning out. I was losing handfuls in the shower. I was having pretty significant bloating, and I was getting sick after eating almost every meal I ate. I also found myself getting extremely tired in the middle of the day, to the point where I could barely keep my eyes open. And I went to my doctor. She recommended I take a food intolerance test, among many other things. And I got it back. The process was very easy. Got it back very quick, and I started cutting out all the foods and chemicals and elements that the test had recommended I cut out. And 4 months later, my hair has stopped falling out. I feel so much better, and I have lost 20 pounds, and it just continues to go down. So I'll keep on this journey of change, and I hope that I start to feel even better as time comes.